Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Hostinger account password in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to the Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. From here, click on the hamburger option on the top right corner of the screen, and in this page, click on the login option to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have logged in, click on your profile icon, which is located on the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu, select the option saying account information. In this page, if you scroll down under the account settings, you can see an option saying change password, so click on it. For changing your password, you have to enter your current password as well as new password, which is 8 to 50 character and also must contain only Latin letters. And once you have entered your current password as well as the new password which you want to replace it with, click on the option saying confirm. And like this, you have successfully changed the password of your account. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.